Jacob's working hard on his Lego set, and the bird is trying to help him. Wants to join in. How many pieces is that?
1,777.
Oh, goodness.
75, I mean.
No, Precious is watching. Mm-hmm.
The bird is a real help a lot of the time.
What are they doing? What are they doing? What are they doing? What are they
I'm
doing?
in the wrong way.
Spin it, Jacob. Spin it.
I don't have enough strength.
Wash your fingers.
Time to go to sleep. Yep, time to go to sleep. You have to go back in the cage. It's bedtime. Yeah. You have to. You can't just stay out of the cage. Come on, you have to go to sleep. Yeah, you do? What are you doing? Let's see what you have.
The cage is nice and clean. It just got completely cleaned.
Ooh, look at in here. Wow, Precious, nice clean cage.
I moved his bathtub over.
Let me get a peanut. Okay, let's see.
Okay.
Good night, Precious.
Perfect. Perfect. Thank you, Lexi.